Hey folks, welcome back to yet another exciting video of Engineers Review. First of all, we would like to thank you for all the love and support you guys have shown on our top 3 convertible laptop video. So especially on that note, we are going to review Dell Inspiron 145406, a latest and impressive 2-in-1 convertible laptop that consists of all the latest technologies under the hood. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Dell Inspiron 145406 is composed with all the necessary functionalities you would need in your laptop, and the convertible form factor makes this device more productive as well as attractive, which is especially a great choice for students and editors. Starting with the design, which is the prime factor of this laptop, with all metal-like titanium grey finish, gives this device aesthetics and premium look. Dell Inspiron 145406 has a compact design with a thickness of 17.94 mm and weighs around 1.72 kgs. Dell has done an impressive job with the hinges. After rotating it 360 degrees multiple times, we didn't notice any noise and flex on the lid. So you can easily convert it to any position and watch your favorite shows for hours without any issues and interruption. You get a full-sized backlit keyboard which has well-spaced keys, which are comfortable to type, and the double functionality feature of a fingerprint scanner embedded on the power button. Underneath the keyboard has a responsive mid-sized touchpad. Now looking at the ports, the right side consists of an audio combo jack, SD card reader, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, and on the left side a power plug, a USB Type-C port, HDMI port, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports. Sadly, there is no Ethernet port for LAN connection. Coming to the display of this laptop, it has 14-inch Full HD WAV touchscreen display with vivid color quality having sRGB 65% and 157 ppi. Furthermore, the screen is bright but only at a certain angle. It has significant glare. The thin bezels on both sides look fantastic, but the bottom bezel of the display seems a little bit annoying. Despite this, the screen produces punchy and crispy colors. Also, with the use of a stylus, you can maximize your touchscreen experience too. This laptop has the latest 11th Gen Tiger Lake i5 processors with the base clock speed of 1.3 GHz and can boost up to 4.2 GHz with the Intel Turbo Boost technology. 8 MB of cache, 4 cores, 8 GB DDR4 of SDRAM comes with 512 GB NVMe SSD of storage, combined with the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics processor that will easily handle all your daily basic computing tasks, which includes photo or video editing, note writing, programming, mid-level gaming, etc. Overall, whether you are a college student or a business worker, this device will get your things done. Battery backup of this laptop in normal settings is around 4 to 5 hours because it has lithium-ion 3-cell battery in the hood. Now let's summarize our review with some pros and cons that will clear all your doubts regarding buying this laptop. The laptop has fast booting because of the NVMe SSD drive, great option for programmers and office workers, attractive design and robust build quality. Latest i5 11th Gen processor with the convertible features under 70,000 rupees price is a great deal. Battery backup of only 3 to 4 hours, reflecting screen at some angles. If you are a hardcore gamer, don't go for this laptop. No Ethernet port. At the end of the review, we give this laptop 4 out of 5 star rating, which shows that this laptop has the potential to replace the mid-range non-gaming traditional laptops for a better price with excessive functionalities. You can get this laptop both on Amazon and Flipkart. We have given the link in the description below, you can get it from there. So that's all for today's video. Share your thoughts and queries about this laptop down in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel Engineers Review. Bye bye and take care.